welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be drawing Mugman. If you've seen, I have drawn Cuphead. So, these are the colors I'm going to be using. Start with blue, outline color, yellow for his gloves, and pink for his tongue. So, let's start with his, let's start with his nose. So I'll start with his nose first. Should I start with that? I should start with the blue part first. If you haven't subscribed to my videos, subscribe now, or a bed will be under your spider. My next video, I'll be making Mario. Let's finish this. And then Luigi. If you're drawing this, make sure to pause. And do that on the Cuphead video. Mugman from the Cuphead shop. Make sure to like and subscribe. There. Okay guys, now that we're done with Mugman, I'm gonna do Mario, and this is my channel person / cat, and his name is Apple Cat, and it says Apple Cat Life. So, and I have the right color for him. Is this the color I use? No, it is not. It's the color I use. Actually, I use my old markers. Don't have those kind of markers, and I don't know where my. Oh, is this supposed to be red? I think so. So, yeah, there's so much oranges. Orange. Red. Yeah, so that's it. So let's put these guys back. And make sure to like and subscribe.